link here, so I'll leave that in the description for you. So simply all we need to do is click download for Windows 10, accept the terms and conditions, and accept and download. Thank you. Your download will begin shortly. Okay, that was quick. So I'll run the execution. See how long it takes. Yes on that one. Getting the new Microsoft Edge ready. We can't wait for you to try it. Nice new logo, as you can see there, compared to the nice blue E for Edge. Two seconds remaining, and we're all done. Maybe not. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.